What's up everyone? Super quick video for today. I just want to share with you guys the current lighting setup that's on the Ram 1500 and how it looks at nighttime. So I have an HID kit, 55 watt, innovated HID kit for the low beams. I have just stock halogen high beam bulbs. We're going to be upgrading those soon. And I have C6 LEDs in the fogs. So the HID kit's a 5000K 55 watt, and it has some CAN bus adapters, which we outlined in the last video. And we're going to be testing out some different CAN bus adapters because we're running into a few issues, but they do still work. Just the auto function and whatnot doesn't work as we want it to, but it does keep the error light from showing up on the dash. So anyways, without further ado, let me show you guys what it looks like at night, and then we'll talk about it. All right, so here is the setup. We're driving in pitch dark, no city lights. You guys can see just how dark it is. It is just pitch black outside. And right now I have these are the factory sports projection headlights. But I do have the innovated 55 watt, 5000K HID kit in the projection low beams. And that's what you're seeing right now. You're also seeing the C6 LEDs in the fogs. I'll turn off the fogs for a second. So that's without the fogs. You can kind of just see it changes the side profile of things. But if I turn on the highs, and the highs are just the standard halogens, but the HIDs in the lows stay on with the halogens in the highs. So the lows and the high beams are on right now. And you can see you have amazing light projection, and you can see for as far as you can possibly want. So yeah, I just turned them off now. That the oncoming car is coming, but got a couple city lights here, but you can see just how bright this setup is. I love it. I mean, honestly, I don't see any need for any improvement on perhaps a more expensive setup. This setup works amazing. So, and this is all just the factory sport headlights, the factory projectors that you'll see from 2013 to 2018. The factory headlights with the performance bulbs that I've put in them. So HIDs in the low beam projector, halogens still in the highs, but I'm going to be working on that soon. I got some JDM Star LEDs that we're going to try out in the highs soon, but right now this is just the halogens, and so I want to give you guys something to compare to. So again, right now what you're seeing is just the lows with the fogs on, the C6S in the fog lights, the LEDs. And once we get into some darkness here in a second, I'll show you again the highs. So I think we're safe to hit the highs there. So this is what we got with the highs. Like, as far as visibility goes, like, you can't ask for anything more. This is great. Color's good. It's not too blue. It's a nice crisp white, not too yellow. Hopefully it's coming across on the video as clear as it is in real life or in person. But again, this is with the highs on, lows, but the fogs kick out. I know you can reprogram so the fogs stay on, but the fogs do turn off right now with the factory programming on this truck. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think of the setup. But here's some city lights. You can see how it kind of looks with a little bit of ambient lighting. And again, back into the dark, and we still got vision. And one last time, high beams. Nice clear straight stretch, and yeah, you can see plenty far. Okay, so let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see any other shots. I'm going to try to get some aerials with the drone that I have, and hopefully you guys can get a better idea of the light projection. But that's what it looks like firsthand point of view while you're driving, and I think it's an excellent view, and excellent lighting as well. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I'll also leave the links to the different installs of those different lights. So the HIDs in the lows, highs are just stock, but I'll also show you the C6 LEDs in the fog lights as well. So check out those videos. Again, links in the descriptions of those other videos where we did all the install stuff, but this video is just a summary of what it all looks like when it's installed at nighttime in the real world. So hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're stopping in for the first time, consider subscribing and check out the other videos on the channel. We've covered a lot of ground, and we'll continue to do so on the Ram 1500 and the Viper and lots of other vehicles as well. If you're already subscribed, make sure you have that bell notification turned on, because it will notify you of all the latest videos, which at the moment are on a daily basis. So thanks again for the support, guys, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.